Alright guys, today I got a 2017 Nissan Altima and I'm going to show you how to replace this mirror right here. Also, how to remove this panel right here, right? In order for you to remove this mirror, you have to remove this panel because there's a wiring connector going down here. I'll show you in the new one. So you need an access in here, so we have to remove this whole thing. First of all, you're going to pop off the little cover here and then you have a screw in here, right? You're gonna take off this little guy right here, just grab it from here, pull it out. You're gonna have a screw right there, and you're gonna have a screw, or after that, you're gonna pop off this cover here. I mean, not the cover, the switch. You could just lift it up from right here. You're gonna push in the little tab that's right here, and that's this one right here. And this should come off, disconnect the connectors. All right, and then you're gonna have a screw right here, right? And after that, you could just yank this whole thing really hard and all the clips will pop up. Just be careful because you still have a couple of wirings for the sensor here, the switches here, and also the little cables for the lock and unlock and the door handle. All right, so I got pretty much everything out. Let me just get this little guy out right here. If you forget this little guy right here, the whole panel is gonna come off the clips, but it's still not gonna release. It's gonna feel like something in the middle is holding it. That's this little screw right here, right? And I'm gonna get this cover off and then I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do after that. All right, so simply got the cover out. All right, it comes out really smooth. Only if they had designed this little cover a little bigger, we could have fished that out and you didn't have to remove none of this stuff. All right, so that's the connector right there. All right guys, even if you can fish it from right here, very good. You could probably grab it with something, but you see how big they made this guy? Because I tried to look at this yesterday, couldn't see the connector, right? So next, what you're gonna do is slowly pull this off. This probably got little clips here, and then just disconnect this little guy and replace it. All right, so just take a flathead right here, push it out, and this cover should come out. And right down here, you have 1, 2, 3 number 10s. You're gonna disconnect the sensor. I mean the cable for the mirror right there. 1, 2, 3, guys. 3 of these come off, and the mirror should fall off. So just grab it with the hand or something. All right, guys. Once you have these 3 screws out, these 3 number 10s right here. All right, let me put those over there, and this mirror should just come right out. All right, just like that. There you go. All right. And we'll take the new one, we'll put that in. All right, so we got the new mirror in, we got the cable in, and this little guy usually breaks, but we can take our little cover here and you just stick it in. And it should hold itself. There you go. All right, so we have everything in. Don't forget to bring this out. If you forget this, you're gonna have to reopen everything up. All right, and all of your screws here, here, and there should align. All right, and I'm gonna take all these screws, put them in, put the switch in, and put the cover in, and that's it, you're done. All right, got that screw in, got that screw in, and I got that screw in. All right, you take this little guy right here. Make sure your connectors are in, and you line it and you push it. All right, that's it. It clips right in. This is all clips, guys. All right, all these is clips. All right, that's that. And then we have this little guy, also a whole bunch of clips. Face this side in first. And after that, you just clip everything in. And that's it, guys. We're all done here. I took off a little piece down here. Let me put that back in. All right, I can't do it with the one hand, but I'll do it later. It's supposed to go right in there just like that. Can't do it with the one hand, but let me finish out this cover right here. So this is the cover that I took off first, so you won't see a screw right there. Make sure you take off this cover. All right, and this cover also should click right in. All right, and I'm gonna put that in and we're done. After that, you could test the mirror. It should be good to go.